Hi, I'm City. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the eFax functionality of Edvak in Unified Health. This is to send, receive, or organize faxes all digitally. Okay, to start, under the dashboard menu, on the right side panel of your screen, this is where you can locate the faxes, where everything is organized into three main sections. We have inbox, outbox, and failed faxes. Okay, let's start with the inbox. Here you will see all the received faxes, neatly sorted by date and time, and labeled with their categories. Okay, when you hover over the lightning icon or lightning bolt icon, you will see it labeled as AI detected category. This means that Edvak's AI automatically categorized the fax according to its content. Pretty smart. But if you want to manually correct the tag or the category, you can easily click this drop-down arrow and select the appropriate one. For example, it is insurance-related fax, then just select insurance, just like that. Okay, let's move on to Outbox. Outbox, you'll see everything you've sent or drafted in this section, so statuses are color-coded. You can quickly tell the status of each fax at a glance. So green means it's sent or successfully sent, and red indicates it is failed to send. Now, if a fax is in failed tab, let's say, simply hover over the failed button here to see the reason why it did not go through. So let's see the reason here. That it states unknown error, please check with Edvak support for assistance. So that's it for our three main sections. Okay, so let's move on to how to send a new fax. Just click on the blue plus icon here, and then it will open a new fax window, which looks like this one. Okay, let's walk through the part or each part of the form. In practice name, this should already say Unified Health, so you do not need to change anything in here. For select sender, click the drop down to choose your name on the list of users. Receiver fax number, enter the fax number of the person or office you're sending it to. Select patient, this is optional. And then now, the most important part, attaching document to send. In attaching documents to send, you've got a few options. You can scan right here, scan a physical document directly. You can upload a file from your computer. You can browse patient docs, or you can use a letter if you're sending a templated message. So let's say I'm going to attach a document from my local file. So we just have to browse computer and then attach, include file, and then the document is now attached. So once everything is filled out and everything looks good, just click preview to double check the content here to make sure that you have attached the correct file, and then click save as draft if you're not ready to send yet here, or just hit send to fax it off. You can always track the fax status in your outbox, whether it's sent in progress or let's say it's failed. Okay, so in this case, I already sent the fax. Let's see if it's in progress. Yeah, it says it's in the outbox section saying it's still in progress right here. So let's go back to the inbox that we have discussed earlier. For example, when you open a fax categorized as referral, Edvak automatically activates the extract with AI feature, or this button. This helps you save time by pulling key details directly from the document into editable fields. So let's try by clicking this button, extract with AI. Okay, at the top, you'll notice the AI extracted data may be incorrect. Review it before adding it to patient records. So that's your reminder to double check everything or every field, especially the patient's name spelling, the date of birth, insurance types or details, and all the important key points at that. Okay, the prompt says we found an existing patient record that matches the extracted details. Confirm if this is a correct patient, and if not, you can choose to match to other or create a new record. Okay, just like that, if you'd like to match this record to an existing patient records, just click this one and then type the name there. And then if you wanted it to be added to a patient chart, just click that one. Okay. And you've successfully used Extract with AI to reduce manual entry to make your workflow faster and efficient. Let's discuss about how to file a fax into the patient chart. When you receive a fax, simply review the document for accuracy and then attach it to patient chart by selecting or typing up the patient's name. So let's try it out. In this case, when you click on the inbox or the fax, it will redirect you to this window where you can view the document and then just simply fill out this details like file name. It should be referral, and then let's say referral, and then save to the appropriate folder, let's say here, and then attach to the correct patient account or patient chart. There you go. Hit save, and then that's it. When you hit save, if you check the patient chart, you will see it under the documents, saved according to what folder you labeled it to. Just easy as that. I believe we have covered everything on how to manage eFax, or we have walked through the functionalities of eFax. And yes, that's how easy it is to manage faxes through Edvak. Thanks for watching. Bye.